Hello everybody, welcome back to Shital's kitchen. While we were in a lockdown, I experiment all sorts of recipe and this is one of them. Today we're going to make a blueberry truffle. I'm using leftover cake. So if you have any leftover cake, there you go, make a most of it. And it's very quick. You need only few ingredients and kids love it. So I'm going to introduce all ingredients which is you will need for this dish. Half a cup of blueberry, frozen blueberry, 1 apple chopped, 1 orange chopped, 2 tablespoons vanilla flavor custard, 1 tablespoon chia seeds soaked, 2 pinch raspberry powder for decoration, 1.5 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 piece cake, leftover cake. Today I'm using this cake as like apple and raisin cake, but if you have any other flavor, look, it's perfectly fine. Sometime I use banana cake, one time I use lemon cake, so any cake goes in this truffle. So we're gonna start with sauce. So we're going to make blueberry sauce before we start making dessert. For blueberry sauce, I'm going to add blueberry and then brown sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to stir until it's nice and thick. Blueberry sauce is ready, nice and it's thick. So it's ready. So we're going to let it cool down and then we're going to start make our blueberry truffle. This blueberry sauce is ready. Now we're going to add these fruits and custard. So we're going to mix fruit and custard. And some custard. So let's make now truffle. So I'm going to add first layer of a cake. Cake is nice and moist. And this dessert we enjoy in the summer and in the winter. And then I'm going to add blueberry sauce. This already looks so yummy. And then chia seeds. And one more layer of cake. And then blueberry sauce again. And top layer with fruits and custard. And I'm going to decorate with raspberry powder. And this truffle is ready. This blueberry truffle is ready and I can't wait to try. It's very quick and very yummy, very delicious. So if you like this dish and video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video.